Every time I close my eyes, I see the world's despair. You show me, Lord, just how close we are. It's more than I can bear. Rivers run with tears of sorrow, mountains echo cries. Tell me what to do, my Father, as I watch the daylight die. Church bells ring through empty streets, whispers in the night. Kneeling by my bedside, praying for a sign of light. Children's dreams are caught in shadows. Where did their laughter go? Crying for this broken world. It's lost and it won't slow. Oh Lord, I hear you calling, but I don't know where to start. I'm pleading for your mercy to heal this hurting heart. Got me to be an anchor in this storm-tossed sea today. Give me strength to carry on till sunshine follows rain. In the depths of my despair, I cry out to my Lord. Show me the path to follow and help me to keep your word. I know that you are with me, even in the darkest night. And with your help, I'll find my way and I'll walk inside your light. Though the road ahead may be long and filled with strife, I'll trust in your love, your faithfulness, your endless life. You are my refuge, my strength, my guide. And with you by my side, I will emerge from this night. Oh Lord, I hear you calling, but I don't know where to start. I'm bleeding for your mercy to heal this hurting heart. Got me to be an anchor in this storm-tossed sea today. Give me strength to carry on till sunshine follows rain. Till sunshine follows rain. Till sunshine